Fall face first, cut the head off. I'm better off not to let that snake roam free. Homie, you know me, no same OG. Wanna see my faith get weak. 7 days right, samurai slice. Hebrew 4:12, word of double. Draft God putting things back in order, and it's on your first quarter. We blowing them out like an afro with a lasso, prayer cloth with the tassel, fasting and reading, breathing and achieving, sewing it up like a seamstress. I mean this, I speak in revelation, your boy is dedicated. When it comes to occupation, saving nations, I won't lose a line upon line, precept upon precept. Close friends change like Autobots to Decepts. We get caught up and all brought up in wrong thought of how to worship stuff. Things change, blings and rings. Kid, and never did it for me. It's just a